2012 in Britain was a terrible, terrible winter. You know, it frozen for most of the, say, 4 months, 5 months. And I was in this, it was like a gravel pit, and there was these two wild swans. And they come out of the water, and I thought, oh, my number's up here, because they come, and it was, you know, and I thought, hang on a minute. I said, all right. I get the message, feed us. So I ran back. It was about, it took me about 8 minutes to get back. Got bread and got some wheat flakes, you know, for your breakfast. Got some of them. I took them down, and they wolfed it down. Anyway, you know, the really violent pecks became gentle. And I thought this is lovely, and I was feeding them accordingly. And so, of course, I built up a rapport with them. So that means I was the onus, you know, they was relying on me. So I used to go it was like a religion. Get up at 6:30, 7 o'clock, go down, and they come, as soon as they see me, out the water. But, you know, they say nature has its own way of paying you back in kindness. You know, and one day I was walking to there, and what I saw, the mother was on the left, the father was on the right, and in between was the cygnets, the young swans. And they come out of the water, and I spent about 20 minutes with them. I fed them, and I playing with the chicks, and it was a joy to behold. It was magic. So that was my kind of recompense, you know, for feeding swans. It was like the shaft of light in my mundane day, if you like. It's a moment in anyone's life when you say, is this for real? You know, you look at them, you observe them, then you see the graceful natures and their attributes, and it's a revelation in itself. I think a moment of what I call heaven, you know, keeps us in the bad times, you know, and it's like, it's vivid. And when you see it like this, you know, wherever there's a swan, I'll be, you know, if I can find one, I'll be near it.